Video 4. Look what these good people gave me. This guy right here. Isn't that wonderful? I don't know what to do, but I like it. Chainsaw Massacre. Is that the Chainsaw Massacre?
Ah, Jared. You're killing me.
Oh, I don't have my tooth.
You didn't lose your tooth, did you?
It's somewhere around here.
Let me see.
You leave it in there. You walk in like,
Oh, Jesus. Pepper didn't eat it, did she?
hey, look at this guy that just rolled up.
Yeah!
What's up, brother?
Yeah.
How are you? All the kids are here. How you doing, Mike? Yeah.
Hey, get up. Right here.
Yeah, get hired.
That's nice. They gave this to me.
Ah, Bo.
What?
Mike's hounding me about my fishing trip.
Tomorrow? I'm out of town Sunday. You guys still go?
Next week? He makes videos of me in the humor section. Because I suck so bad.
Whatever. We can do any weekday too. Come back by like 1 o'clock. What have you been fishing for lately? Bananas and Budweiser.
Hit it on video 4. Friday, August 19th, 2022. And look what they gave me today. They gave me the chainsaw, whatever string set. Probably more than 20 years old. There's no DCC on here. Or it's probably all analog. But you have to check this out, Wade. In the video 4.